what? 21 in base 4 plus what? 33 in base 4. So what we are going to do is we are interested in the remainder. When we say what? 1 plus 3 will give us 4. How many times 4 the base will enter what? 4. 4 is going to go into how many times? 1 time remainder what? 0. So we are interested in the remainder. So we are going to put this 0 here. The 0 is based in base 4. Then the number of times is going to go, we add it to this side, we take it to this side. So now, what did I say? I say we are interested in the what? The remainder. And if our answer are start from 0 to 3, we give our answer. That if we say what? 1 plus 3, we have answer like 0. 1 to 3 is not equal to the base, we leave our answer like that. Then the next, we say that what? 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Now, how many times can 4 go into what? 3. 4 is going to 3 one time, and the remainder is what? 2. 4 will go into what? 6 one time, the remainder is 2. So we're going to write these 2. Then since here is the last number, then the remainder, which is going to what? The number of times is going to go, we'll put it here. And what did I say? 1 plus 3 is 4. How many times can 4 go into 4? 4 is going to go into 4 one time, remainder 0. Look at the 0. Then the number of times, we move it to the other side to add it. Then we now have 1 plus 2 give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Now the base we are talking about. How many times can 4 the base go into 6? It's going to go how many times? 1 time, remainder 2. Look at the remainder, the number of times. So it means 21 in base 4 plus 33 in base 4 is equal to what? 120 in base 4. Thank you.